à papa, ya, 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 ya. Quand conscience nous, est-ce que nous pas.
And let me thank Rita, as well as Perez, for putting this wonderful event together. Happy Haitian Culture Day, everybody.
I wasn't born in Haiti, but Haiti was born.
I want to thank Life of Hope Organization for your continued leadership and commitment to bringing people together year after year.
It was a meaningful program that brought together a community committed to transform opportunities for immigrants and young people across New York City. On that, I'm deeply grateful for your connection to our work, your continued support, and your commitment to building a stronger and more united community for all.
We're here with all of these wonderful Brooklyn residents celebrating Haiti, celebrating the focus on We Belong.
Together, we continue to create hope, opportunities, and lasting impact. Your presence, your support for the Haitian community and for the Haitian Culture Day is a testimony. It's not something we take lightly, we deeply appreciate it. Together again, we continue to show we belong. I want to thank my staff, my board, volunteers, our sponsors, our values partners who make this event a success this year. I want also to thank Madam Chair, Council Member Rita Joseph, and then Public Health Solution, Madam Cassandra Owell, and as well as Martin Durusso from Progressive Community Center for giving it all. And again, happy Haitian Culture Day. We look forward to 2027. God bless, keep the faith, and share the hope. Merci, 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 merci un peu.